Boom shakalaka, Bitcoin's highest volume ever, and why this chart could be incredibly bullish. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video we're taking a look at a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Before we get into it guys, like, subscribe, click the notification bell, come join us on Twitter at the Crypto Love. Push that like button. And today, Extreme Fear 23. Same as we were yesterday, the overall market up 1%, Bitcoin at 16,851, Ethereum at 1247, BNB at 278, XRP 38 cents, Dogecoin at 9 cents, Cardano 34 cents, and Polygon 93 cents. And if you want to the top coins today based on artificial intelligence and machine learning, we have Eurocoin, Caspa, Pax Gold, Trust Wallet, and the Open Network. And you can check out this for yourself with a 1-week free trial to Token Metrics down in the description. Now, Bitcoin right now still above this downtrend, which could potentially be bullish. We have some support bands underneath where the price is right now from about $8,500 to $13,500. We'll have to see if Bitcoin can find support in this area. But if we take a look across the general markets, Dow Jones has broken above its 2022 macro downtrend line. Very good for traditional markets. As a matter of fact, the DXY weekly RSI is in its lowest level in 2022. A repeat of this fractal will mean the dollar is going to give back a lot of its gains. We can see that the parabola has been broken. Prices are headed down. And historically, the dollar weakness helps boost Bitcoin's appeal. 10x gains on Bitcoin only happens when the US dollar is weak. Last week's breakdown of US dollar seen right here is very, very big deal for Bitcoin. Bitcoin's best returns have come when the dollar weakens significantly, which could be happening right now. And this chart here showing that likely capitulation volume spike is here. This is the highest ever Bitcoin volume we have seen on any week since 2015. Insane. High volume spike thanks to FTX and Alameda. Now, surprisingly, despite the general markets going up, Bitcoin is actually correlated with DXY at this time. Correlation and inverted correlations come and go. DXY and Bitcoin going hand in hand. Not the decoupling we expected. Generally, Bitcoin and DXY go in opposite directions. But this week, same direction for both of them. However, it may not last. If we take a look at the historic macro signal from DXY and Bitcoin, 2014 and 2015, compare it with now. When DXY broke the parabolic trend line, this yellow dotted line right here, and basically same time it broke this downtrend that the price had been in. That was basically the absolute bottom before price ticked up. Now fast forward to where we are right now. DXY broke this trend line, and we have pretty much popped through the downtrend that Bitcoin has been in. Could we have a sideways formation? Maybe. Could the price go up? Maybe. Well, if we take a look right now, one bearish Bitcoin signal, the bear market drawdown. Okay, if we take a look at the bearish TK cross, we had a TK cross, and then look at how much further Bitcoin price dropped before the end of the market. TK cross, look at how much further it dropped. And the TK is Tenkan Kijun, okay? Bearish TK cross. Well, we just had another bearish TK cross not long ago. If we were to have a drawdown similar to previous cycles, 84% here, 86% here, if we had an 85% here, that would put Bitcoin in confluence with the SSB line, this gray line from the Ichimoku Kinko Hayu at around $10,000. Could we go there? Certainly. Might we go there? Maybe. Will we go there? Hard to say. Now, another thing that's, aside from FTX collapsing and maybe Crypto.com and all these other exchanges collapsing, well, Bitcoin miner sell pressure has skyrocketed. Miners are in pain and selling more than they have in almost 5 years, because right now, as we can see, we've broken below the miner cost band for the first time since the COVID bottom, and it's kind of hovering around there where it's more expensive to mine Bitcoin than what can actually be earned from selling it. So miners are selling their Bitcoin. Now, generally it takes 2 weeks for the difficulty to adjust, and a lot of miners will be going offline. Probably in the next month or two, this will correct. But for right now, miners are in extreme pain, which brings us to the final chart for today. What could actually lead Bitcoin price in quite a bullish pattern? If we take a look at the Bitcoin OBV cross, right now we have a bullish divergence in the Bitcoin OBV. We can see the OBV is this blue line right here, the on balance volume. When this is above Bitcoin, it is bullish. It pulls Bitcoin price up. When it is below Bitcoin, it's bearish. It pulls Bitcoin price down. We can see this historically. Well, right now we have just crossed bullish over the past few months, likely to pull Bitcoin price up, because as it has been bullish, Bitcoin price has been going down, likely eventually to start pulling it back up. So that's all for today's video. If you did enjoy it, push that like button. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.